Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I will show you how to replace the front brake pads on a 2011 through Kia Forte. Let's get started. I will start by engaging the park brake, followed by wheel chocking the rear wheels so that the vehicle does not roll back. Before I lift the vehicle, I will brake or loosen the front wheel lug nuts. The lug nut size is 13/16. I placed the jack under the car's metal subframe. I am only lifting the vehicle high enough to remove the front wheels. The higher you lift the vehicle, the more unstable it becomes and the more likely to slide right off the jack. I use a jack stand together with the jack for additional safety. I am doing a quick inspection of the rotor for excessive wear or damage. I like to clean the brake components before I began the disassembly. I am using Purple Power as my cleaner for today. Purple Power does a great job at removing road grime, and it doesn't leave a sticky or oily residue. The caliper is bolted to the caliper bracket by two 14mm bolts. This outer brake pad is excessively worn. This is what the new brake pad looks like. Notice the difference in the braking material. The inner brake pad is worn as well. Compare the old brake pad to the new one to confirm an exact match. The caliper's piston will need to be reset. To achieve this, I use a brake caliper piston compressor or brake pad spreader to push the caliper's piston back into the caliper's housing. Be careful not to contaminate the brake pads with dirt or oil from your hands. Contaminants on the face of the brake pad could cause the brakes to fail prematurely. I will reinstall the brake pads and caliper off camera. The caliper and brake pads are reinstalled. I will complete the job by spraying down the rotor with brake parts cleaner. You may need to add brake fluid to the brake master cylinder's reservoir after servicing the brakes. Before you can test drive the vehicle, you will need to pump up the brakes. Push on the brake pedal several times until the brake pedal becomes stiff. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.